Hello Crawl Already Nation, my name is Nick Osler. I'm one of the owners of Crawl Already. I'm here to introduce you to a new video series that we will be launching. Over the years, we've had the opportunity to meet some amazing people. In this series, we want to take a minute and introduce you to these people and their rigs. We want to talk about the rigs, show you some of their upgrades, and some things that they wish they had never done. We hope you enjoy this. To start off, I want to introduce you to my 1997 Jeep Wrangler. So this 97 Jeep Wrangler has had a few things added to it since it came from the factory. It's had a 4.5-inch Rubicon Express lift. It has Bilstein 5100s added to it. We have 33-inch tires, ARB lockers front and rear, with an Altlas II transfer case in the middle. All these aftermarket accessories definitely add to the characteristic and charisma that you see in the Jeep, and also make it a lot more enjoyable to enjoy various off-road activities. So one of my most memorable stories with this Jeep is down in Moab, Utah. We're on a trail called Cane Creek. There was a few of us down there, super excited to be there. This is still one of my favorite trails. And one of the obstacles, I hear the snap. And we knew something bad has happened. We get out to see what has happened, and lo and behold, an axle shaft is broken. With no shops in the middle of the trail, we had to finish the trail, turn around, and come back to repair the Jeep to get it off the trail, which results in a very late and long night. But to the thanks of great friends and great people that I choose to wheel with, we were able to get the Jeep repaired, get it home, and we all made it home safely. I hope you've enjoyed this quick video on my 97 Wrangler. I hope you come back to see the other videos that we will be highlighting here. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You can also visit us on crawlalready.com.